Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen, struggling to chop, slice, shred, and mix ingredients? Say goodbye to those kitchen woes because Ninja's got your back with the ultimate kitchen powerhouse, the Ninja Professional XL Food Processor. Get ready to embark on a culinary journey filled with convenience, versatility, and exceptional results. If you're interested in learning more about the Ninja Professional XL Food Processor, please click on the link in the description below. Unleash culinary creativity. Powered by a remarkable 1200 peak watt motor, this food processor effortlessly tackles tough ingredients, ensuring that your doughs are evenly mixed, your chopping precise, and your culinary creations are top-notch. It's time to elevate your cooking game and embrace a new level of efficiency and ease. Perfectly suited for families and gatherings, featuring a generous 12-cup processing bowl. The Ninja Professional XL Food Processor is designed to cater to the needs of families and entertainers alike. Say goodbye to multiple batches and hello to efficient meal preparation. Whether you're cooking for loved ones or hosting a gathering that requires culinary finesse, precision at your fingertips with AutoWick technology. Banish the guesswork from your cooking routine with the convenience of 4 AutoWick preset programs. No more trial and error, simply select the program that suits your culinary needs and let the Ninja Professional XL Food Processor work its magic. Experience consistent results that impress every time. Store and organize with ease, worried about keeping your accessories organized. The included storage box ensures that your discs and blades are safely stored when not in use. Say goodbye to rummaging through drawers and hello to a streamlined kitchen organization. Cross Swords Ninja Blade Technology, your kitchen warrior. Experience uniform processing and evenly mixed dough thanks to Ninja's advanced blade technology. Your culinary creations will come out perfectly blended, chopped, and mixed, allowing you to savor every bite with satisfaction. Slice with precision, from thick to paper thin. The Ninja Professional XL Food Processor lets you achieve the perfect slice, regardless of thickness. With variable slice settings, you can transform ingredients from thick to paper thin, giving your dishes that professional touch they deserve. XL Feed Chute for effortless prep. No more tedious ingredient prep. The XL Feed Chute with a 3-part pusher accommodates ingredients of all sizes, reducing your prep time and increasing your cooking efficiency. Easy cleanup, quick assembly. The Ninja Professional XL Food Processor not only excels in performance but also in convenience. Cleaning up is a breeze with dishwasher-safe components, including the bowl, lid, discs, and blade systems. Moreover, quick assembly means you're just seconds away from unlocking new culinary functions. Say hello to a new era of culinary excellence with the Ninja Professional XL Food Processor. From perfectly chopped ingredients to precisely mixed doughs, this powerhouse does it all. Don't let complicated cooking hold you back. Embrace the convenience, versatility, and superior performance that the Ninja Professional XL Food Processor brings to your kitchen. Elevate your cooking experience, impress your guests, and savor every moment of your culinary creations with the Ninja Professional XL Food Processor by your side. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.